Hello, my friends. Nice to meet you again. This is AI with Orlando. So today I will try to explain how can you use the possibilities of the agents inside the NEN to help you to find best leads for your business. Yes, you heard it right. The idea is find your dream leads faster with this kind of automation using agents from NEN. So are you tired digging through Google searching leads, but the result is not properly what you're expecting for? It's not your fault. You know what I mean? I know you wish you could get perfect prospect hand to you, right? The problem with using the Google search, most of the times we are not using all the possibilities, keywords that Google search can give you us to use it in a better way to get the proper results that we really want and needs, of course. So the point of this automation using agents inside NEM is exactly that. You will speak with the agent and the agent will try to understand your requirements to find the best leads for you and create the proper query to be used in Google search. The main point here is turning this endless searching into actual closing. You save more time and you are more with more probability that the results from the Google search that give you the best leads that you can find out basically free, almost free, in a less time with a better chance of closing this kind of leads. So forget random keywords and guesswork. This is the point here. This agent intelligently craft laser focused Google search for you. This is the point. You just need to tell the agent what you need. The agent will try to ask a few questions in order to create the better query that help you to find your leads. And that's it. That's this. Imagine maybe you are searching for e-commerce CEOs in Miami that recently funded. That means the people have some kind of cash in their hands and they want to invest in their company. So you can find that more laser focused using the agent in order to give you the proper query to use Google to find this kind of the e-commerce CEOs in Miami that you are looking for. The point here that using this crafted query, they will with high probability give you targeted results. This is the point. You know what I mean? So the point here, why ditch the old way? Because targeted links mean more revenue. This is the main goal for us and for everybody. With way less effort. As Alex Omusi says, you hit their pain and promise. So stop drawing irrelevant results. This is the point. Starting connected with high intended prospects using these results of this search in Google. And faster than ever before because you are not wasting some time, a lot of time to search the Google and not using all the potential in order to grab you with the best leads that they can give you to you. So the point here is give you the best results for your leads that you want to connect in a less time, in a most efficient way, using this agent inside the NEM. So transform your Google search into your titleless 20-server lead generation engine almost with highly results and almost free. This is the point. So are you ready to swap your frustration for a calendar packet with genuinely interactive lead with quality leads? This is, and you know what I mean. Let's connect. I will show you exactly how this works and help you to find these amazing leads for you or for your business. Start closing. So we continue to do our testing to show you how this automation using agents inside the NEN works to help you to find the best quality leads for your business. So this is the bot. The point here is not to properly explain how can you create this in this video, just to show you the possibilities using agent inside the NEN in order to help you to craft your business operation more properly. In this particular case, the main goal of this agent is to help you to craft the proper query in Google search in order to find the best quality leads for your business or for your services. So let's start it. Let me say hi to the bot. So the boy said hi. So wait a little bit. This is working. The agent is connecting to the deep search model. I'm using the last model of this deep search chat properly. So he responds to you. Hello, how can I see you today? If you are looking here for generating a Google search query, please share your request. I'll guide you through the process, right? Let me try to find the best quality list for dentists in London, UK. So we try to write this one. So let me see what happened. Let me see what is the response agent. The agent right now is processing this query and try to your request, try to create the best query. But I believe that they can ask you further question about this. So they're asking you, when you ask for the top data in UK, what are you looking for properly? So option A, highly rental practices on individual dentist potential clients for your services. Option B, platforms or directories where top dentists are listed to target them for outreach. On option C, dentists who are actively seeking services like yours, marketing equipment. Let me choose the option A. So I am really interested in highly rated dental practices or individual dentists that will potential for my services. So let me see what happened with the agent in this particular case. Response the agent that option A is good for me right now. They are trying to figure out by looking internet what is the best way to populate the query to be used in Google search. We can see what is the log of the response from the chat using this tool. It's a tool that searches internet. Perplexity, as you know, is a very good tool. It's amazing to search internet with proper responses. Right now, the agent will be processing all the response from the tools, and we will see what happens. Query that will be the best use case for us to get the proper individual. Okay, so the response. So based on your clarification, you are looking for highly rated dental practices or individual dentists in London, UK, who could be potential clients for your services. So here is the automized search query. So this is the recommended query. They validate a little bit, give less say relevant pages in Google search. So if we are good with it, we can use it. Please try to add the query that includes emails contacts. So let me see what happened with agent. I am also interested that the query for Google search return to me the potential contacts with their emails also to be useful for me to send emails to them about my services. You know what I mean? They give you the recommended query, including email contacts, and also alternative query for more email scrapping if you are looking for. So we will go a little bit. I will try to show you what is the result of this. So guys, we continue to search our amazing leads for top dentists in UK and London. So if you remember, I copy the query from the bot. I copy here. So they give us the result from a lot of pages with dentists in UK. So let me check out this one from Made in London Dentist, the team. So you can see this is like a very good dentist in UK, you know. And here we have the contact number and also the email that we can use it to send our services to them. Also have another potential here. Here, another dentist, get in touch, book online. You know what I mean? and also have another response here. I don't know, guys, but this seems to me like a very good quality dentist, at least in London. So that is very, very nice, to be honest, that we can use a proper query to grab the proper results. And let me check out this one, Dr. Gine. And this is another dentist. Let's see. You see a lot of the Warner Awards here that the winner related with the services in dentist. You know what I mean? Here, contact us, book online, call us. So very nice. Contact. So guys, I hope that you very like this possibility agent inside the NEN in order to your query to the top quality leads for your business. Please give me your comments below to see what is your ideas about this. I will try to create another video to explain to you how can you do that by yourself using NEN to create this amazing bot channel, because that will help us a lot. Thank you much. See you. Bye bye.